So behind the door we have a bunch of headbands. A couple of these I wore to concerts. That one was sent to me from ColourPop. And yeah, this is my 1 in a million Twice tote bag I got from a cup sleeve. Here is very disorganized, but that's just where I keep like hair accessories and stuff. I don't have a better way of organizing them right now. Above the door we just have these B photos from the album. Then we have a Face the Sun poster, and down here a TXT poster. This is where I keep all my scrunchies. It's super easy for me to just throw one in and move on. And then I have some reusable fabric masks behind the door. Moving on to this wall, we have my pickets. I have my pickets adhered to the wall with poster putty. It's all right. I think there are better ways to hang up pickets, but this works for now. I have Yeonjun, Taeyoung, Jin, Vernon, and Seungwon. And then this is my Sector 17 poster and some printouts of Seungwon, Terry, and Jihyo. These I got from albums. This I printed out. Well, my friend did for me, and I just thought it was really cute. I like this whole plant theme we have going on because we move over to here. This is a collection of cup sleeves. It's not every cup sleeve event I've ever been to because I am notoriously bad at remembering to ask for the cup sleeve, but it's most of them. I hope to go to more. My New Year's resolution is to go to 1 cup sleeve a month just because they're so fun and it's like so easy for me to get out of the house. But yeah, these are my cup sleeves. So the first 2 are my BTS and my TXT shelves. I have my Moa Bong here and my Army Bomb, and this is just how I have my albums organized. I think it looks really cute. This is a little memory frame thing that I made of PTDLA, so it has confetti, my floor wristband, some of the random photo cards I got from the McDonald's booth, and then down here I have the same idea but for TXT, so I have confetti, the dollars that they were throwing around for Loser Lover, my masks, some freebies, and then we have my light stick box in the back. This is just a top loader that I made, and then some standees, and then we have the albums. I don't have many, I know, because I am a slow collector and I'm okay with that. This is like my Twice / multistan area, so like I don't heavily collect Twice. Whenever there's a new comeback, I'll buy like an album, just like one version to like get some photo cards just because it's like fun, and I do love like Twice, but I don't really collect for them because I feel like that's just too much to catch up on and I'm overwhelmed at the thought. This is my light stick, and then back here I have some miscellaneous albums, so ATEEZ, NCT, and then there's an Eric Nam album as well. But yeah. The next row is my 17 section with some SSERAFIM. So this is my Seungwon daikon. I think it looks really cute. It's a lenticular cover, and this is just some cuttings from my plants. And then here are my albums. And then I just put 2 SSERAFIM ones here because this is just where they fit. This divider is like a metal rack thing from Target. I think it was like $10, I don't know, something like that. It wasn't super expensive. There is my global fan sign Seungwon card that was a pain in the ass to find. And then we have my bottom section. So here's my Jihyo photo book. It doesn't fit anywhere else. This is a roll of daikon posters for BTS. And then this is just like a little box that I have. It was sent to me by Essence, the makeup company, and they filled it with a bunch of foundations, but I took everything out and now I just put my K-pop freebies in there. I would open it and show you guys, but it's gonna get messy. And then this is one of my photo card binders, my old laptop, what is it called? A clipboard. And then, yeah, this is also a photo album for my concert photos. If you want to see that in another video, definitely let me know. Down here, I have my deco materials. It's in this box. It says it's deco day. I can show that in another video. And then in here, I just have a makeup bag that I decided to hide because I like this darling bag and I wanted to show it. Moving over slightly, we have Subin. Then we have this framed TXT Thursday's Child poster. I'm obsessed with it. Down here, we have my Seungwon tree. We have a banner from the concert. And then some makeup. This is a drawer with my makeup collection. It's a lot because I get a lot of PR. If you guys want a makeup collection video, let me know. I also have just a bunch of bins in my closet. It's kind of overwhelming, but yeah, that's what it's like. Moving on, we have this area. This is my desk area. I was kind of organizing it yesterday and then it got a little bit messy, but here are the main banners that I got from the last 4 concerts I went to. So from top to bottom, it's Twice, BTS, TXT, and then 17. Over here, we have an OT5 TXT premium photo and my graduation cap. Then we have a BTS calendar, the B poster that everybody has because it's really cute, and then a Seongwon shrine. Underneath the shrine, we just have 3 collect books. These are thank you cards for trading and then some top loaders for trading. I also just have this phone case and some stamps. Then here we have my laptop. It has a Thursday's Child sticker on it and a keyboard. In my desk, this is just like my tech drawer, so anything that has batteries or is rechargeable goes in here. This is a scale. It used to be a food scale, but now I use it for weighing my mail so that I know how many stamps to put on things. Then I just have this thing full of chargers. I have another light there that's a sky lamp. Not a sky lamp. A sunset lamp. That's a sunset lamp. And then we just have like various cables and adapters. Here I just keep random supplies. I made this to hang my headphones on, and I think I did a pretty good job, but it took me forever. This is my little heart rack thing. I used to hang all my keychains on it, so like the PC holder ones and stuff, but they're all on my tree right now, so that's a problem for later. Here are some more trading supplies. So we have some sticky notes, some wall tack to hang up posters, some plastic sleeves that I reuse for trading. And this one's empty right now, but yeah. This is what the corner looks like. Here's my ukulele signed by AJ Raphael. And then we move on to the bed area. So here, I have just a lot of plushies. This corner is a mess. I don't know what to do with it, but we're just gonna ignore that for now. This is what it looks like. I recreated the Bicycle album art because I love the song Bicycle, and I just feel like I wanted it. This light is from the children's section at IKEA, and I thought it was cute because it's a cloud, and it's above my bed. So my bed area looks like this. Yeah, and then we have Totoro. We have some posters up here. These are all TXT. And then we just have a bunch of bags hanging here. And there's my big ukulele. I also have a sky light thingy. I don't know what they're called. The things that project stars onto your ceiling. I have one of those because my brother gave it to me for Christmas. In the window, we have this macrame holding Terry. I just transferred him here yesterday, and I think it looks really cute. I'm not too fond of the color combination, but it does, I guess, kind of match my room, so I'm gonna stick with it for a while. In here is storage. This is a Malm IKEA bed frame, I believe. I put my clothes in there. It's not that exciting, to be honest. I also use satin pillowcases because I heard that it's better for your skin and hair. I don't really see a difference, but I'm gonna stick with it because I like how it keeps my pillows cold. Yeah, this is what my room looks like from another angle. I think it's super cute and I am obsessed with it. To show you what my room looks like from this angle. It's always a work in progress. I'm always moving things around just because I'm so indecisive, but I really like what it looks like right now. I'm pretty content with it. that is my entire room. Thank you so much for watching. If you ever want a dedicated in-depth video on all of my plants, I would love to do that. Or if you guys want to see my makeup collection, my K-pop collection specifically, definitely let me know. I would love to give you one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.